Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you guys this amazing wooden watch from Yode Watches. They sent this to me to review for you guys, and they also gave me an awesome giveaway to give you guys as well. So make sure you watch the video in its entirety so that you can catch all of the details. Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Bro Beauty. I'm super excited that you guys are back because today is going to be a review day, but it's not going to be on something that I'm regularly doing. I have tons of things that I have in my head that I want to share with you guys. I purchased a lot of gadgets, I purchased a lot of random things that I want to share with you guys, so I'm going to be doing that a lot more here on my channel. So I was really excited when Yord, the company Yord, who makes wooden watches, hit me up and asked me if I would like to review one of their watches. My husband is actually more into watches than I am. He loves watches, got me into them. So now I am very, very much more interested in finding timeless pieces, really genuine and good quality pieces that I can add to my collection. So Yode watches are really, 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 really unique because they are wooden and they come from actual raw material. They have really refined designs. They're modeled after the modern lifestyle. So I was super excited about that, and I showed it to my husband, and he was really excited for me to try them out. They said that they wanted to send one for Sam as well. So we both got some really dope new watches, and we're going to share them with you guys today. I'm going to tell you guys some up close and more detailed descriptions of each watch, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to tell you guys what we personally like about these watches. At the end, we'll give you the deets and how you can enter the giveaway so that you too can rock a Yode. So you guys, from the packaging tape to everything on the inside of this box, you are going to feel like you're getting an exclusive item here. They go all out. Yord went all out on their branding. You'll find the name on everything, including this finishing oil here and their polishing cloth, which comes inside packaged so nicely. They even go all out as to make sure that there's magnets on the inside of this drawer. So it slides right back in really nicely, and you can put all of your accessories in there. And there's also magnets on the lid as well as some foam to protect the watch. The watch comes on this burlap pillow, and once you pick the pillow up, you will find that there are some items underneath in order for you to take care of your watch. You also find this social media card with all of their social media. You find some extra links in case you want to add some links to your watch, and you also find this care and maintenance booklet, which has their information, operating your watch instructions. You'll also find troubleshooting, information on your warranty, and also information on your watch in general. It also comes with this nice polishing cloth for your watch when you get your fingers all over it, and that can go into your drawer. Now, I wasn't expecting for the box to be ventilated, but it is, and you can see that they also took the time to put Yord at the bottom of that too. Yord is also on the burlap pillow, and there's also a J on this coin that is attached to the watch, which you can take off obviously before you wear your watch. They also went in and protected the links on the back of the watch that come together, and once you put them together, you'll see that they also have the logo Yord on them. So I definitely can appreciate the fact that they have so much pride and love for their product that they took their time to add these minor details in order to make this feel like a really nice exclusive watch. Now, I really like this random little tidbit, but in order to unclasp your watch, it has two knobs on either side of the clasp. All you have to do is squeeze them and your watch becomes loose. So I think that's really nice for people who have a hard time kind of putting on their watches and clasping them on. So, Yord makes these watches with wood from all over the world. And my particular watch is Purple Heart wood. It's actually from the Frankie series, and the name of my watch is Purple Heart and Plum. I love this color. I did get to pick which watch I wanted, and I picked purple because I love purple. You'll also see after I take the plastic covering that protects the face off that it has gold detailing on the inside. I love this watch and I love the fit. Yord also sends you a printout to make sure that you get the perfect fit. Now we'll go ahead and show you hubby's and have him tell you what he thinks about his watch. So now I have Sam with me, and he got the Ebony and Iron from the Hyde series. That's the name of his watch.
Well, you start off by saying thank you, York. No, real nice watch. I like it. Classic, simple face watch. Actually, when I first opened it, I forgot that it was all wood. Like, oh, I almost thought it wasn't even wood at first. I'm looking at it and I'm like, wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, it is wood. Anyways, very nice, lightweight. When I put it on, I can't even tell that it's on my arm. So that's a huge plus. For somebody like me, I don't really like wearing too many watches and jewelry unless I'm going out. But even when I do, something like this, for it to be such a lightweight design is definitely a plus for somebody like me. And that's why I like it. I can wear it with something simple as what I have on now, or I can have the dress shirt on as well too, and still,
right,
it look real nice.
It's very James Bond-esque.
That's what you want to call it. Handcrafted. I would think so.
It is handcrafted.
It is handcrafted. Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, it shows. It shows because it's just done up very, very well. I definitely will be a watch that I'll be wearing more than the others, and probably look forward to getting another one. Really.
Yeah. So there's some more on there. There's tons of watches on there, and Sam actually likes the exposed gears type of watch, the exposed gear type of watch. So you can see like the mechanics of it. Sam says skeletal.
Yeah.
Skeletal is another word for it. And they have tons of those on there. Or at least I know that there's some more on there that if I wanted to purchase a watch or gift him with another one, that these are available because he does like those watches as well. And with that being said, these are obviously a good gift for your significant other. And Valentine's Day is coming up. So Yode did give us a giveaway for my subscribers here on my channel and for our followers on Instagram. We do have a couples page, so we will be linking on our couples page the link to enter into a giveaway to win a watch. So you have that opportunity. You will also have a link down in my description for you to enter into the giveaway. So definitely check out my description for all of the details on the giveaway. They didn't just send us some really cool watches that we can hold on to, but also giving you guys a little treat for Valentine's Day. I want to leave you guys here. Thanks again to Yord for sending us.
So wait, hold on. Are you throwing hints at what's to be my Valentine's Day gift? Is that what you're saying?
No.
Okay. Nobody told you anything about Valentine's Day.
Okay, but because that's the giveaway.
Okay. Giveaway. Get you one. Get one for your man.
It's so annoying. Anyway, y'all, thank you guys so much for tuning in and also accepting my guest.
You don't know if they accept it. This may be my last time.
But thank you guys so much. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram so that you can enter into the giveaway as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay royal.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Don't move. Remember how I told you how to hold it? See?
Good job, Lily.
Yellow. Making